Hey guys, this is Jesper Nissen from YACSS, and I want to show you the updated local SEO module that we have inside of YACSS. So it has been implemented for quite some time now, but I wasn't fully satisfied with the way that we implemented it before. So now we changed it. So let me show you how it works in the masspage builder. So you click on masspage builder and let me just give it a test name, test. I will add 1, 2, 3, 4 so we can see how it will look like when it's done. And I think I can click preview now so you can see there's this empty website. So let me go down to local. Yes. So the way that this works now is that you have two options. Two show options. Do you want to show the information on the page, or do you want to hide the local information inside of an accordion? And let me choose hidden inside accordion first. So the way what you do is you click add new local, and then you have the option to fetch company info from Google, and we have the Google API here that works like this. So I will use myself as an example. Use company information. So if you have a GBP with a hidden address, you cannot use this because Google's we're using the Google Places API, the Google local API, in order to do this. And if you communicate to Google that you want your address to be hidden, they honor that in the API, meaning that we're not able to fetch any information from the API because you told that the GBP must have a hidden address, and thus you cannot use this. So this is a very frequently asked questions: why is my business not being fetched correctly? And it is probably because you have hidden address. So just keep that in mind. This is only for visible address. So service area business, as we call them, cannot use this fetch company info from Google. So anyway, I found myself company Jesper Nissen. What I do now is I need to add the Google keyword that I want to get be visible for. So Jesper Nissen has to do with SEO, so I just type in SEO agency, or in Danish, as we say, bureau, SEO bureau. I think that you can say that in English also. So this is the Google keyword, and we're using this to make the Google Maps search for local businesses that we are competing with. So if you don't add any Google keyword here, if you're doing tree service and that's what you want to be visible for, but you don't add tree service here in this box, then you won't find any competing businesses that you can make driving directions from to your company. So SEO bureau, so this is just extremely vital that you use this field here. Google Place ID, that's taken from the API. Driving directions, let me say 10,000. The driving directions radius is radius in meters. So this is 10 kilometers radius, so we should find a lot of stuff here. So down here now, the way it works now is we have all of these tabs. So, and the way that it works is that you need to click generate in order to actually have information, in contrast to before, where you just place the business, and when you click generate website, then it's asked the API. And because of the way that it was implemented before, when you click generate website, it could take a long time before the website was generated. But now this has been changed. So you can see there are no images down here. Let me just click generate and you can see what I mean. So this is just something that you need to do. You need to click generate if you want to generate these images, for example. For each of these tabs, we have this radio button. Do you want to show the images? Do you want to show links to the images? Or do you want to have a combination so it's random? And this counter here is how many images in this case will be shown on each page in the masspage site that I'm building. So between 3 to 10. So I could also say 3 to 4, for example, or 4, or 1 to 4, something like that. It's just if you have it, the default is 3 to 10. So that's the default. So what this will mean is that it will fetch, if there are more than 10 images, it will fetch a maximum of 10 images. If I say 5, it will fetch maximum of 5 images. So in my case, what I could actually do, I could say between 3 to 10 images on each page, and then click generate, and then it fetches the images, and then I could just reduce it to between 1 to 3, because then once it's generated, it will show between 1 to 3 images on each page. I hope it makes sense. Things to do, driving direction from, so yeah, so let me just actually click generate so you can see what this is. Things to do is local sites, local GBP points. You can see Jets Bank, Stenhus, Nytorv, Nordkraft, Banegårdspladsen, that's the local railway station, Aalborg Historical Museum, the local museum, the harbor, and so on and so forth. So yeah, makes sense. And again, it will place between 1 to or 3 to 10 on each page. Driving directions, just click generate. That's actually quite fast. Greenware, Boostify, and then some driving directions with links here from points of interest. And then the local zoo, local park, and so on and so forth. So let's go back to the competitors. You can see that it actually finds SEO agencies, but it only finds SEO agencies because I specified the keyword SEO bureau. I hope that makes sense. Reviews. If I want to, yes, Keith, he was so friendly that he gave me a review, and I can show that. Embeds. What's that? Oh, that's just the Google Maps, of course. Okay, so it makes sense that you want to have that also. Could be. I mean, it does make sense actually. So this is the embed is just the normal maps, the maps embeds. Let me show you what that is. Google Maps. Dude. So dude. So this embed here is just share, integrate map, copy this HTML, and then paste it. But this is, I mean, this is just easier, right? Because you don't need to use the embed field in YACSS. You could just click this generate. So let me click save and I click preview. So dude, I can see now here driving directions, and this is the embed down here. And I mean, in my case, I only have one review, for example, so I can't really show you that, you know, it's random because I only have one, right? So I clicked save, and then once you and then it closed. And let me show you that you can edit it by clicking here. And if there is an image that you do not want to use, and click save, and it should be, yeah, so it saves some of the images. Okay, so when points of interest or things to do, let me just click close. They are here. So if you're doing local SEO, this is just easy for you. Instead of going to the Google Maps, finding all of these, you know, restaurants, hotels. Let me just close this. Drugstores, parking, transportation, ATM, things to see, you know, sites. Instead of doing that, all of that in hand, you can simply just do like this. So, and here where it gets interesting. So you can actually add a new local business. So I could actually add myself again. SEO optimize or also Google. Let's see here. Good. So you can see here I'm actually getting some different, I'm getting some different companies. Now I'm getting a company called Not YouTube. That's actually a fun name. Adjust Marketing, OP Nord, Kasper Gregersen, Captago, GreenClick, and so on and so forth. So that's actually interesting that when I use another keyword, and this is also my business, when I'm using another keyword, I actually get other points of interest. So I can click save. And so on and so forth. So you can, so this is this way of doing this is better than the old way, because now you can actually add multiples of your own business. And so in this case, this first had all of the properties for SEO agency, SEO Bureau. This has driving directions for the keyword Google. Yeah, Google here. And yeah, I think it's just nice. So it gives you a superb flexibility when you're building these mass page sites. And you can combine that with the Wikipedia. If you have access to a schema writer, Wikipedia entities. Let me search for Google. 2 seconds. Wiki English Google. I think probably Google dot or perhaps just Google. Google search, of course. Yeah, Google search. Let's do that. Google search and click process. Invalid keyword. Oops. Let's find again. Try again. Oops. Yeah. So now it's not invalid. Let's see. I see what it says. So what it's doing now is it's finding all of the entities in Wikipedia that's related to Google search. And it's using an advanced machine learning algorithm that we just implemented, because it's something I discovered that is much better than the old way of sorting entities. Let's see what it says. It takes somewhere between 20 to 40 seconds, and now it's done. So all of these keywords here are recognized entities. So what I would do is I would copy this, Google search, generate spin tags, save, add new wiki, how Google works, generate spin tags. So when you're inserting a named entity from Wikipedia and you're clicking generate spin tags, what it does is it's using the Wikipedia API to fetch the information. First, I think 300 words, something like that, 200, no. First words, and then it's using the spin tags, the spinner that you have chosen to be the default spinner. Click save. And what that will look like, let me just click unfolded. What that will look like is it will look like this. So about Google search, about how Google works. And then, and if I click only one here, it will only take one, I hope. Yeah, it does. So about how Google works. And let's add one more. Timeline of Google search. That's a good one. Spin tags. And one more. Google Search Console. That's also good. So the reason that you want to do this is because you want to have pages that are higher quality, and you want pages to have unique content. So if you're doing it like this, preview, you can see here that you will have these driving directions that are random on each page. You will have this random on each page. You will have this random on each page. And if you're then using as a content, the one that I use is this guy here. Select random number of sentences from text file in random order and combine into paragraphs. That's what I use. If you're using this to upload text, each page will be 100% unique. So it's just that's just what I do. And when you're doing local SEO, this is just the way. This is the way. To quote Star Wars, this is the way. Let's see here. So generate. You can see that the generate now is extremely fast. Generate, it's almost instantaneous. And before we change the or regenerate, before we change the local module to the way that it works now, this was not instantaneous at all. You needed to wait 30 seconds, 1 minute. I was getting even more gray hairs than I have now. So yeah, that's just how the way it is. There's no limit to how many times you can fetch info from Google in each project. So what I have been thinking, what I'm going to experiment with is, yeah. So let me actually just show you SEO Bureau. So you can see here I have gotcha here. What I could do is I could actually do like this. I could add these guys here. Gotcha. And then SEO Bureau. I could actually generate their embed. And I could generate reviews, embeds, not links, but reviews. Click save here. All right, my phone just rang, so I don't remember where I were, but let's just see here. Yeah, so the thing is that so what I'm planning on experimenting with is creating. You can actually create these pages on your website. Let's say I'm creating a one-page website. So then you can create a page with all of the GPB profile information of all your competition websites, and then you could just place one outgoing link to your own website, but you do mention all the other websites, and so that would make it kind of like a what can you call it? I don't know what you can call it, but it's kind of like a directory. You get my point? I think you get my point. Okay, enough talk. Let me show you the page builder. Okay, so let me show you the page builder. No page builder. Let me show you the page builder first. Gardinbus or Gardinbus 2. I don't know, remember what theme it is, preview. Okay, so if you haven't used this page builder, you should really start. I don't know what you're doing, because I made everything easy for you guys. So if you're not using this, who are you? Let's see here, add AI widget here. English. Let's see that. Let's see what. Yeah. Okay. Let me show you. Let me show you block. Let me show you free link building. Read more. Copy. Now I copied all of the text. This is background. So this is the entire blog post. AI keyword will be local link building methods, generate blog title. One more. Yeah, I like this better. Tips and tricks for 2025. So, article production, I want 8 headers. I want historical facts from Wikipedia. No, I don't want that. I want local. No, I don't want. I want questions. I want random. I want four questions. Random placement. I want yeah, I don't want to include wiki information because I'll just do that after. Unsplash images. What are we talking about? We are talking about marketing, and click add. Let's see what it says. Okay, so what I'm doing now, guys, is I am building a complete one-pager with AI, and I don't know if you have seen this or not. I'm going to show you this, or I am showing you this. So let me just see a preview. I should probably have cleaned it in advance. So let me actually just clear all sections. Okay. Yeah, let me start over. Let me do it again. Click add. Do it. Sorry, guys. See what it does. Preview. Yeah, much better. So this is the entire article, and complete with, you know, columns and yeah, stuff, just stuff about link building. And it will be a good article because we are using this article as background information, so it will be relevant to jespernissenseo. And if you don't want to use, let me just see here. If you don't want to use this, because this is just lorem ipsum text, if you do want to use it, you can click text here, and then you can insert your own text. But if you don't want to use it, you can just click delete. Delete. Like this preview, and now it's done. Now it's deleted. What I wanted to show you is that I can now add a section. I can add 2 columns. Click add. I can, to the right column, select an image, and I can import image from Unsplash. I can type in marketing. Dude, I want this image here. Nope, that's wrong. I want to have portraits. Search. I want this image. Update. Over here to the left, I want Wikipedia information. Dude. I want how Google works. I want this guy here. Dude. I want generate definition. No. Yeah. Yes, this was correct. Okay, so so this is the Google key, this is the Wikipedia keyword. This is the entire Wikipedia information. Is generate historical facts. It's just summary of the historical facts if there are any in the article. This is the definition of how Google works, and this is the Wikipedia information without links. Update. And let me show you what that looks like. So down here, how Google works, and then this image here. So let me show you how the local works. I will add one more section. I will add 1 column. Good. I will click this button here. I can now click driving directions, and let me find my own website or my own company. Good. and so 10, so it will find 10 links, driving direction, links, all 4 variants. So okay, so it won't, so these are how many embeds and this is how many links. So I'm not going to use links. So just like this and generate, Now I have the links here, click update. And let me show you how it looks like, So these are the driving directions. So you can actually use this to generate driving directions, random driving directions, and import them and build links to these guys, because this link here, let me just click on this link here. So this is a driving direction from this hotel to Jesper Nissen to my GBB profile. So this is a driving direction. If you build a link to this by using Scrapebox, for example, or Google Links, Google Sites, or insert it in a another cloud stack, or whatever. But anyway, you can copy these links, and where are they? Where were they? Let me just click preview once more. So you can copy these links, and these links will boost your visibility in the maps. So yeah, and I don't want to spend any more time. You can click plus here and add Google Map embeds, points of interest, and so on and so forth. So this is kind of like, I think it's Elementor in WordPress, similar to Elementor, where you can click plus and then add text. Click plus and then add a YouTube embed, for example, and so on and so forth, and save, and upload to a cloud site. So last thing I want to show you is the stack builder, So let's say that I want to generate a stack. SEO agency. SEO agency Seobo Aalborg, SEO agency Aalborg, my hometown. Target URL will be, in this case, when I'm building stacks like this, my target URL is always the share URL. That's what I use as target URL. You could actually also build a Google site that's pointing to your website, but I don't have any Google site now. Let me actually show you. So if this is the endpoint, so to speak. This is what I want to boost. Let me search for jespernissenseo. I think I might have a Google site somewhere. I don't remember. I could actually, what I could do, I could actually, let's see here, don't remember if I have a do follow link in this Pinterest profile. Yeah, so there's a link there. Okay, so there's a link. I don't remember if it's a do follow link. No, it's no follow, but anyway. But we can actually use this as target URL. So let's go back. Target URL. Text will be SEO to Euro Aalborg. So that's the targets, text of target link, and this is target URL. I will select manual buckets. I will select Amazon. I will select what should I select? DigitalOcean. I have too many buckets already. So hold on, guys. Turns out I had a bucket called SEO company, so I'm selecting that dude. So this is just it's just going to be a very small stack. So this is the keywords. I will go to local. I will search for my company. Dude. I will use my keywords. I will generate. I will generate. I will generate. I will generate. And I will generate. And I will generate. Save. And that is that, because I'm going to use the fully automated image SEO, manual images, marketing search. So let's see here, these 3 images. Yes. Build settings, interlinking, yes. Meta title, include, no. Include canonical, no. Web page schema, no, no, no. I will use the H1 as target URL. So the header will be the link that you can click on. I think that's so I'm not going to add Wikipedia information because I already showed you that. I can add search engine optimization, generate spin tags, save, unfolded. So yeah, anyway, generates, let's see. So what I've built now is a stack that is a fully automated stack, in the sense that it's going to create the article for me, and it's going to insert the local information randomly on each subpage. And it will only have 4 pages because, yeah, or 6, was it 6 pages? Yeah, 6 pages, so it's going to be relatively fast. Let me click pause, and now it's done. So I can download it, CSV, test stack. Let's check here. So you can see 6 pages. So let me just open one. Dude. So yeah, so this is a page, and let's scroll down. About search engine optimization, about Jesper Nissen. So this is the local stuff, and these are the driving directions, and these are the links. The driving directions and the links and the reviews and the Google Maps and interlinking to other pages. And let's see here, dude. And let's see here, Sebo, Aalborg, dude. Yeah, so this is linking to the Pinterest. So there you have it, guys. This was the local. Let me just, as a roundup, talk about the AI website and the AI website local. It works exactly the same way. We have exactly the same steps, so no need to explain it one more time, because you have seen it now. AI content, for both the AI website and the AI website local, it works like this. SEO guru, SEO agency, say how many, 2, generate titles, input keywords. Let's see what it says. SEO strategies, blah 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 blah. So now it has the it has the overall topic, that's SEO strategies, and then it will build these articles in conjunction with this keyword in mind. That's how we engineered the prompts. Same thing with the articles down here. And if you want, you can add local information to each page. And same thing with the AI website local. We have the exact same step down here. So it's identical in all the builders. And the AI website Local still works the way that you can enter the Wikipedia name of your city here over here. Wikipedia name of city, the exact way that the city name is spelled in Wikipedia. And for example, links, SEO, Google, etc., etc., etc. It will then generate 3 pages. Link in Aalborg, for example. SEO in Aalborg, Google in Aalborg. So that's the way. So it's combining the city name and the keyword, and it's taking the it's inserting on that page some local information about Aalborg. So this video is not about how to build an AI site. You can check the previous videos I did last year about AI sites. It hasn't changed, so it's the same. Yeah, so a bit of a long video, guys. I hope you liked it, and feel free to comment and question. Take care.